picked up this Volkswagen transaxle. No cone on the back. Seems locked up. Then again, it may just be out of gear or in gear, but yeah, who knows. But what I want it for is the ring right here. I'm gonna cut it so I can make an adapter so I can start my my Porsche motor over here on the stand. So I thought we would go ahead and just tear into it a little bit and see what we can find out. I've never opened one of these myself. I did do a 902 transmission, a 5-speed, about 20 years ago with a buddy, but he knew what he was doing, and so I just kind of followed along and handed him tools. So today I'm going to try to get this back cone off. We'll see if we can't get the sides off, pull the innards out. If you guys are interested in any parts that you may want, drop me a line. If you're in the Phoenix, Arizona area, you can swing on by and, you know, bring me a bottle of Crown Royal or Jameson or Redbreast, and parts could be yours. So with that, let me grab some tools and let's tear into this. Let's see what we got. There we go. So let's get this back this way. Really, you can just, there it is. Ooh, look at all that stuff. That's what the inside looks like. Not so pretty. There she is. There's a tab hang here. Well, guys, it's a new day. Did some research on how to get this back cone out so we can get our gear set out. Transmissions I've worked in the past usually had bolts in here that kind of held it all together. Unfortunately, this V-dub transaxle did not. So did some research, and there's a huge pinion, well, that's the pinion, but there's a ring, or like a nut in a sense, that you need to take off. And I'm going to show you how to get it off. The tool is like 150 bucks, 200 bucks. And if you're, in my opinion, not in the business of rebuilding these, that cost to buy that nut, or that socket just isn't there. So we're going to try a different approach. We're going to use a hammer and a screwdriver, and we're going to get in on one of those little teeth right there and hammer it down, and hopefully we can knock that loose. Let's see what we can do. All right. So we'll take our screwdriver, we're gonna go right in on one of those there. We're gonna give it a couple taps here. All right, I can move my hand now. Come on now. There she is. Now she's off. That's what that looks like. So with that out of the way, I wonder if we can just push this out. All right, so we've disassembled it as much as we can. And the way, I think we kind of want to come down kind of like this. Then let's go. Yeah, let's go right here. Let's just try to take it. See if we can't cut this. And we might just for, I'll go like that. Basically, it's gonna be this one and this bottom one here that we'll want to cut. I'll probably come in here like this. This is that bottom bolt, so maybe like that. That's what I need. Let's go test fit it. Okay, so here's our engine for our 67. Obviously this is where that bolt goes in, but we'll shimmer that through. And then that right there, once you hook up a nut to there, and then a nut up here for that starter bolt, it clears this, everything here. This is perfect. So now we can attach that starter and get to working on it.